Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower, so I thought I would show you what my makeup and hair care routine is gonna be for summer. This is very easy, very simple because it's summer. I don't wanna do like lots of different stuff. So for my hair, I'm just gonna be using a little bit of this Moroccan oil. I love this stuff. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in my hair and then let my hair air dry. Ooh, okay. This might be a little bit too much, but I think we're gonna be fine. I feel like this really helps prevent frizz for me, so that when my hair air dries, that it doesn't look like super crazy. Also, if I want my hair to look a little bit more tame, I'll let it air dry like 90% and then I'll blow dry it. And I feel like when I do that, my hair doesn't get as damaged. Whereas if I were to blow dry it right now, it would just be like a lot of work and it just wouldn't turn out as well. Now I'm just gonna wash my hands because I don't wanna get this over my face. Now that my hands are nice and clean, I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare. So for the summer, I just use this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This definitely does not cut it for winter, especially in Boston. It's so dry. So in the winter, I always use Kiehl's, but that is a pretty expensive moisturizer. So luckily for summer, I'm able to just use this, which is like pretty affordable. I think it's like $20 for this big thing. And the thing that I like about this moisturizer is that it's not sticky. It blends into your skin really well. Like, it's very fast absorbing. So your face doesn't end up feeling sticky throughout the day, which is not a fun feeling for summer. I always like to use a little bit of eye cream because the area around my eyes tends to be really dry. I really like this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. I got this at Costco. You'd think for Costco it'd be a little bit bigger, but you know, unfortunately it's not. The good thing is I feel like a little bit goes a long way. I'm a very eczema prone person and I tend to get eczema around my eyelids, so I feel like this really helps. I'm not going to be doing any foundation because I have tried so many foundations. I am just a foundation hater. I hate them. So yeah, you're not going to convert me into liking foundation. The only time I'll wear it is if maybe I'm going to like a special event, but even then, I don't really know. Luckily, my skin has been pretty clear. I mean, I have a tiny pimple there, but I don't feel like it's super noticeable. So I normally just do a little bit of concealer under my eyes, but I actually don't use concealer. I use foundation. And this foundation isn't my actual skin color. This is a little bit lighter than my actual skin color. And because my skin is so dry, I just feel like that this works a lot better. Whereas like using an actual concealer will make my under eyes crease a lot more. The thing that's not great about this is the applicator. Sucks. Maybelline, if you're watching this, can you make a better applicator, please? I waste so much product. So yeah, I normally just blend this with my fingers. Then I take this Anastasia, I know I said that wrong, this clear brow gel from Anastasia. I have tried so many eyebrow gels and this is the only one I like. I've tried cheaper ones, but no one is as good as this one. Now, I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush. This is my favorite brush. Oh my God, I'm having a stroke and I can't speak. This is my favorite blush. It's from Saie. I like this because it doesn't break me out and lots of blushes give me acne. So if you're an acne prone person, check this one out. It's a liquid blush, which can be a little bit tricky to apply, but you kind of just have to figure out what works for you. The thing that I like about this is you can always add more. I think that this is like a good amount though. And then I do a little bit on my nose because come on, like we know the sunburnt look is kind of trending right now. Also, my nose is normally a little bit naturally sunburnt, so that is a really good trend for me. Next, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Highlighter. I have the mini version of this because I wanted to get the mini version and see if I liked it before I spent the money on it. And I do like it, but I think this is actually gonna last me for a long time because this is like all the highlighter I use. It's not a lot. Honestly, that is my biggest wreck when trying a new makeup product. See if they have a mini version, because I just feel like then you end up wasting so much less product. I mean, Sephora does have a pretty good return policy, but I don't know. It just feels like, okay, I'm spending less money. This is a smaller investment and, you know, we can see if I like it. Last step, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm sorry. I don't think my brain is working today. I feel like I need a second cup of coffee or something. This is the last step. I don't do mascara because I don't know. I just feel like it hurts my eyes and I'm a sensitive girly. And look, I don't want my eyes stinging. It's summer, easy breezy. Let's keep it natural. Okay. Anyways, I'm just going to spray some of this on my face. You guys are probably like, oh my God, I just finished. Stop talking. What are you doing? Okay. This is the final makeup look. The only other thing I would normally add is a little bit of lipstick, but it's in my purse. I have to go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is the lipstick I always use. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I just feel like this is a really good color for my complexion. It's just like, gives you a little something extra, you know? Now, that is the final look. If I really wanted to, I could, you know, go in with a little bit of concealer, but you know what? It's summer. Who cares? Like, we're just gonna be sweating it off anyways. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.